That's amazing.
Hey guys, my name is Maximilian Götz and today we are testing the new sound drive of Mercedes AMG. Wow, I go on throttle and it sounds crazy already. Whoa, that's cool. Hard to explain, but the feeling you have in the car is great. Or you can be your own DJ while driving. Let's see now how the others are reacting on this.
Technology is incredible, isn't it?
As a musician, it's quite an interesting feature.
So good. I've never experienced anything like this.
Just completely immersive with the music. Incredible.
It was awesome.
That is something unique to Mercedes-Benz and this whole new concept.